Let's create this underwater text effect in Photoshop with two different methods. With the image is already imported in Photoshop, let's get started. Make sure while selecting the image for this effect that the water texture or the ripples are properly visible. First, with the image layer active, activate the quick selection tool and click on the select subject on top to make the selection of the subject. Fine-tune the selection if needed and press Ctrl or Command plus J to get it on a separate layer. Let's make the water more bluish to enhance the feel. For that, add a hue and saturation adjustment layer and get the hue slider near to the blue color around 20 to 25 and also increase the saturation to around 15 to 20. Then add brightness and contrast adjustment layer and increase the contrast around 30 to 40. Now with the image layer active, add the text. For this I am using Baby's new font. Adjust its size and spacing. Also, we will place it in a direction in which the boat is heading. Change its blend mode to soft light and make sure the text layer is below the subject layer. Now, as we are going to distort the text, so before that, let's create a duplicate of it with Ctrl or Command plus J and hide the original text layer to keep it as backup in case we need. Let's convert the new text layer to the smart object. Now go to filter and then liquify, and in the liquify window with forward wrap tool selected, pressure around 50 to 60, density around 30 to 40, show backdrop checked, stroke on the text with reference to the ripples created by the boat in this image. Make sure the preview is on. After that, press OK to apply. Look at this, how amazing and real it looks. Now, the second method is much more precise and also easy. So, first make sure your image is a smart object, then click on its thumbnail to open it on a separate tab. Now, add hue or saturation adjustment layer and reduce the saturation all the way down to -100. Then go to File and click on Save As. Rename it as Image Displacement and make sure the file type is PSD. Click Save and close the tab. Then let's select the subject and get it on a new layer. Now, instead of adding the new text and doing it all over again, create the copy of the previous one we kept as backup. While pressing Alt or Option, drag it here. Then change it, adjust its position and size. Now, go to Filter, then Distort, and then Displace. Change both the scales around 15 to 20. Match the settings and press OK. Now, select the file we saved as Image Displacement. And look how precise this looks, as it displaces the text as per the ripples in the water. Let's add another handwritten style text at the bottom. Add a little drop shadow to it to give it more posterized look, and done. So here it is, the underwater text effect in two different methods. If you're watching till here, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment which effect should we create next. Also follow me in our socials, links are in the description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.